Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fintech Logics. So today let's discuss about a new topic which is digital transformation in JLG loans. So JLG, as you know, is joint liability group. I have covered the basics of JLG loan in my previous videos. If you have not seen that, I'll provide some of the links here. Please have a look for continuity. So today let's talk about one of the big areas of digitization in JLG loans, that is providing a mobile application interface. Now we know that almost everybody uses smartphone. Okay, you would say that okay, still there is a lot of penetration that has to happen for the use of smartphones, but smartphone usage has also started in a huge aspect in rural areas as well, rural and semi-urban areas. Now, using this, when we say that JLG works through DSA network, direct sales agent network, at least direct sales agents can use smartphones, or even company can provide them with a smartphone for doing so many things in JLG, and that would not only make the lenders profitable, that would also make the borrower's journey a lot more smooth. So let's take a look at what is happening using this mobile interface for JLG loans. The first one on this regard is borrower onboarding and application creation. Now gone are those days where the DSA used to move around with a lot of physical forms, where the physical application forms were filled up by the borrowers. The DSA has to bring it back to the branch for punching and then create applications. Now use of mobile phone interface has enabled to create a lot of loan origination apps, where then and there DSA can take all the inputs from the borrowers and submit an application. So the turnaround time has reduced a lot. This also enables collecting documents, like snaps of the documents can be collected then and there from the borrower, and that creates a rich application for further processes of verification. So this not only reduces your turnaround time, but also brings efficacy in terms of getting the required documents, required verifications to the system. Now this also eliminates the cost associated with field officers going second time to collect the documents which were required by the borrower. So this is definitely a good use of mobile app. The next set is initial eligibility checks and pre-qualification. So as we said that application is submitted online by the DSAs, your initial eligibility check, if the group can take a loan under JLG scheme, can also be done then and there. EMI calculation and amortization simulation is the next one. So now the borrower will, let's say, ask for a 50,000 loan. Now how much of EMI is payable and how the pattern of amortization schedule, that okay, over 12 months or 6 months somebody has to pay, that can be simulated and shown it to the borrower, so that borrower knows that okay, what he is getting into, and he becomes more comfortable. Now this also helps to show the borrower different kind of schemes and product comparison. Now the same lender offers different kinds of products. Now the mobile apps have started giving multiple offers to the JLG borrowers, so that it feeds his or her need for taking a loan. So this can also be made available through mobile app of the DSA. The next one is application processing, application status check, disbursement status check, etc. So normally lender and DSA, so lender would be there, let's say at a centralized location, let's say a subdivision, and let's say under a subdivision there are around 100-200 villages. Now always DSA does not need to come back to branch to check the application status. The application status would be reflecting on the mobile app, and it can be communicated to borrowers also. So this increased the customer satisfaction also to a great extent. The next one and the biggest advantage probably for lenders are repayments or collection and loan performance monitoring. Now with the help of mobile app, your repayments can be collected from JLG loan borrowers immediately. Now this was, even DSAs were collecting your repayments before as well, but they used to collect in cash and they used to come to bank or the lender to reconcile that and understand that okay, repayment has been made. And even lenders were also facing issues because of the gap between collection and actual applying in the system. Now that can be totally revamped or eliminated by the use of mobile app and UPI network. The repayments can be collected then and there, and reconciliation can also be made real time. Now this also helps in loan performance monitoring for lender and DSAs. So all we know that DSAs get commission based on the loan performance. Now DSA also gets information about loan performance so that he or she can focus more on a group which are facing some issues to repay the loan in giving them some better option or restructuring, etc. The last but not the least set of use of mobile app is your borrower relationship management and borrower lender communications. Now all different types of communications, right from your originations to your increase of interest rate, even for loan closure, anything can be made available through the mobile app of the DSAs. Some cases even the lenders have started extending mobile apps for the borrowers as well. So in terms, use of your smartphone has actually helped a lot in JLG loan upliftment, in making the process smooth and even earn customers delight on these loans. So this is in short the digitization that has been done in terms of mobile app, which is bringing a lot of value additions for JLG loan segment. I hope you have liked my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content. Thanks a lot, viewers.